Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to optimize Codeium performance. Ensuring Codeium runs smoothly can greatly enhance your coding efficiency and experience. So let's get started. First, make sure you have the latest version of Codeium installed. Updates often include performance improvements and bug fixes. Check for updates in your code editor's extensions section. Open your code editor and go to the Codeium settings. Here you can adjust preferences to optimize performance, such as the number of suggestions shown and the delay before suggestions appear. Reduce the number of suggestions shown if you are experiencing slow performance. Fewer suggestions can speed up response times. Adjust these settings in Codeium's preferences. Make sure your code editor itself is up to date. An outdated editor can cause performance issues with extensions including Codeium. Check for updates and install them regularly. Close any unnecessary tabs or projects in your code editor. Running too many files at once can slow down Codeium's performance. Keep your workspace clean and focused on the task at hand. Disable or uninstall any conflicting extensions that might interfere with Codeium. Sometimes other extensions can cause performance issues or conflicts. Disable them temporarily to see if it improves Codeium's performance. Clear your code editor's cache and temporary files. Accumulated cache can slow down extension performance. Regularly clearing these files can help maintain a smooth operation. Review Codeium's error logs if you are experiencing issues. Check the extension's logs for any error messages or warnings that might indicate performance problems. Address any issues indicated in the logs. Optimize your system resources by closing other resource-heavy applications running in the background. More available resources can improve Codeium's performance. Restart your code editor and your computer if you are still experiencing performance issues. Sometimes a fresh start can resolve temporary slowdowns and improve overall performance. And that's it. By following these steps, you can optimize Codeium's performance and enjoy a smoother coding experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.